Congratulations, Grace. I'm happy to receive the mail from Roselle that you are selected as the next recipient of the next Benyu Award. Alam mo, Grace, very rewarding yan na ma-involve sa mission at wala akong regret. In fact, the longer I serve God in the mission, the more fulfilled and more enjoyable I experience. Kaya lang, very important na in the last 40 years of my involvement, there are certain important factors or elements that we have to always watch. Number one, yung vision na yan ay dapat galing sa Diyos. At remember, the vision is also progressive. So you have to trust God for additional revelation. Number two, importante rin na magkaroon ng commitment and determination. Grace, it is not an event or just a one-time happening. That means it's a journey. So you have to be determined na anuman ang mangyari, andyan ang Panginoon. And also always remember that what God will be telling you, yung mga promises. So kailangan nakafocus sa Panginoon at sa promises na binigay niya sa iyo personal. Number three, of course, discipline. Alam mo, ang isa sa pinakamalaking sagabal dito or we consider enemy is ourselves. We have to watch and be vigilant. Ano yon? Spiritually, you have to maintain your quiet time. Always be in touch with God. Number two, mentally, try to be exposed to what is happening. Yung newspaper, yung current events sa TV. Don't get into so deep into it, but just know what's happening and also relate it to how it relates to God and your calling. And number three, physical. Be careful na kailangan magkaroon ka ng exercise. Be careful with your diet because what we take or what we eat is what we are. Then lastly, temptation. Alam mo, dito sa journey natin, Satan will be very happy with your decision to do mission work. So temptations will always come. Ano yon? Number one, yung sex. Be sure that you are careful in your dealing with especially the opposite sex. Number two, yung pera, money. Because the love of money, more than God, is the root of all evil. Money is just a means, but it should not be the end. And also, number three, yung fame. The day will come, as you follow God, that you will have a great name. You know, it's not just blessing us, but God will bless others through us. And you will have a greater blessing for others with a great name. But remember, you have to be careful also because yung pride, isang kaaway din yan. Anyway, I'm also touched because you have a good pastor, si Roselle, and we have a very credible leadership in Canada. Okay? Congratulations.